Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ha?
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
You have a great business. You've been voted #1 at everything. No matter what you do, you seem to be #1. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. I would never say in your case that you're fired because you're doing too well. So I'll just say you're hired. You're a spectacular guy. You have a long way to go. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray! Hep, hep, hooray!
Happy birthday, Ate Ray, Ate Cherry.
Hi Ate Rai and Ate Cherry, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And sinabi ko kay Lord na wag muna kayong kunin. And I wish na makapag-maternity leave na kayong dalawa. Ang ina nyo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Ate Rai. Happy birthday Cherry. Enjoy.
Yun. Happy birthday guys. Raisa Cherry. Sana maging masaya ko lagi. Gawin nyo lahat ng gusto nyo. And God bless you. Peace out.
Happy birthday, Ate Rai, and sa'yo din, Cherry. Happy birthday. Wishing you more happiness, good health, and marami pang blessings. Enjoy your day, and mag-iingat kayong dalawa.
Happy birthday, Ate Ray, Ate Che.
Happy birthday, Ate Rai and Ate Cherry. Cheers.
Kay Cherry, may paparinig ako sa'yo. Lang
생일 축하해요. 체리님, 행복 가득한 하루 보내시길 바라요. 늘 건강하시고 앞으로도 많은 생일을 맞이하시길 기원합니다.
Kay Ate Raisa naman.
ライお姉さん、お誕生日おめでとうございます。これからも健康で、たくさんの誕生日を迎えられますように。
Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa, Ate Cherry and Ate Raisa. Wishing you have a good health, endless happiness, and all success you truly deserve. Yun lang, and happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Ate Cherry and Ate Rai. Ang wish ko for Ate Rai ay madagdagan pa ng stamps yung passport mo and magka-boyfriend ka na this year. And for Ate Cherry naman, lahat ng wish mo ay matupad. Pero yun, I wish you guys all the success in all the aspect of your life and all the best things this world has to offer. And to more happy celebrations with the team. Happy birthday ulit, Ates! Bye-bye!
Bex, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang naman talaga sa'yo is magkaroon ng AFAM. Ihahon ka sa Lusak. Isama mo na rin kami. Siyempre, lagi kami buy 1 plus 4.
Ayun, ako wish ko is yumaman ka pa. Bigyan mo kami tig 1,000,000. Happy birthday!
More money and more travels to come. Happy birthday, Bex!
Ako naman, Bex, ang wish ko sa'yo is mabigyan mo na kami ng tigi-isang pamangkin. Tapos, syempre, more travels din. Kasama kami. And buy 1, get 4. Sabi nga ni Apple. Happy birthday! Kakantahan ka namin. Okay, ready?
Happy
birthday to you. Ganon. Happy birthday.
Tingnan mo, Bex.
Tingnan mo, you're so special. Nagpasalon pa
Yeah.
kami.
Diba?
So, ikaw
Maganda,
na ang
diba?
packaging mo, Nis.
Sis.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday! I just wanna say na actually gusto ko tong ikwento sa iba. Kami lang kasi ni Riza yung nakakaalam. So kinukwento niya to kapag naglalakad kami. I wanna share a story about someone na sobrang interested siya. Just lang, bawal sabihin. Happy birthday, Chief! On to the next travel. Mag-book na tayo.
Happy birthday, Cherry!
Happy birthday, Cherry. I hope you're enjoying your day. Happy birthday, Riza. Sabi ni Rani, no need na daw for a message. So, wala na akong message. Just kidding. I wish you all the best this year. And it's always a pleasure working with you. And I hope you're having a great celebration today. So, enjoy!